Happy 28th anniversary YSJ Tandang Sora. Ayun. At unang-una ako po ay nakikisaya sa faithfulness ng Panginoon sa inyo. At patuloy ko pong dinadalangin na patuloy pa pong expand ni Lord yung territory nyo po. Ganun din makaabot pa tayo ng maraming kabataan sa ngayon at sa mga susunod na generation. At ako po ay nakikisaya sa gawain po na meron kayo. At dalangin ko po patuloy din na pagpalain yung mga tao na patuloy na nagpapagal sa gawain, wapa kabataan or adult po. Again po, happy anniversary and God bless you all.
Hello, YSJ Tandang Sora. Greetings and happy 21st anniversary to you. And I am reminded of this verse in Lamentations chapter 3, verse 22 to 24. The steadfast love of the Lord never ceases. His mercies never come to an end. They are new every morning. Great is your faithfulness. Verse 24, the Lord is my portion, says my soul, therefore I will hope in Him. So that is my prayer for you, that we remember the steadfast love of God and His mercy as well. We remember that He is a merciful, He is a faithful God, and they are new every morning. Great is His faithfulness. Happy anniversary.